How to give someone access to your Shopify store. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do so. Now, there are going to be two different types of access. One is going to be giving someone the staff status, so they're going to be working with you alongside of you really with your Shopify store as a staff member. And then there's the other side of things, which is going to be with Shopify partners, and it's going to be more for freelancing jobs. And either way, I'm going to show you exactly how it works. So first, log into your Shopify admin and go to settings. And we are just going to find users here. And if you click on it, we should have more options. So I'm just going to get the partners out of the way because it's the easiest to discuss. So if you click on security here, you're going to find this option here, collaborators. So this is going to be where you change this code by generating a new one. And you simply just want to copy this code and give it to the freelancer that you want to work with you. And they're going to basically send you a request from their side of things from Shopify partners. They're going to send you a request, and through that request, you can just go ahead and give them access to specific parts of your Shopify store. They're not going to be an admin. You are going to be who controls what they have access to. So this is one way of adding people. And like I said, this is more like for freelancing. Now, if you want to add an admin with you or a staff member, you're just going to go to the users section. Or actually, before that, let's just discuss roles here because you can create your custom roles. You're going to have plenty of standard roles here that are created from Shopify. But you can even add a custom one from the top right here and give it a name, a description, and specific permissions for your store, for example. And you can really go into details. So I'm just going to use the standard ones. I'm not really going to create a specific role here or a custom one. Anyways, once you're happy with your roles, you can just go back to users. And in order to add a staff member, you simply just want to click on add users from the top right corner. And obviously, the limit of your staff members is going to depend on your Shopify plan. With that being said, we have user details here. And what we want to do is select admin users and click on add users. As you can see, you're going to be adding them using email. So after you add their email, you simply just want to go down to roles, and obviously you can feel free to turn on the two-step authentication to log in. But then we just want to go to roles and assign a specific role for them. Again, you can just feel free to create your custom role and use it like this one, which I have created beforehand, or you can just use one of the standard options that are available in here. You can read beneath them the specific parts of Shopify that they can actually access. Or you can even create a new role from here. It's going to be easier for you to access right away. So once you select your role and you add them by their email address, you simply just want to click on save from the top right corner, and you should be good to go. You have basically sent the request to add that member as a staff member for your Shopify store. With that being said, hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful, and for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thanks for watching.